Ever felt like your destiny is waiting to be unlocked? That there's a hidden force guiding your fate? Welcome to AstroTalisman.com, your gateway to the most powerful mystical artifacts, talismans, and ancient remedies, crafted by expert astrologers with vast divine knowledge. Brought to you by an association of renowned astrologers. We at AstroTalisman.com are devoted to eradicating human problems through our divine expertise in astrology. Now let's reveal some of our most sought-after mystical treasures, items known to change lives. Introducing the best-selling mystical products. Lucky charm to win lottery, attract fortune and prosperity like never before. Chamunda Power Talisman with silver case, infused with divine energy for spiritual and material success. Mahalakshmi Magical Powerful Talisman for wealth. Invoke the blessings of Goddess Mahalakshmi for financial abundance. Sarv Shakti Talisman, a rare and powerful symbol of protection and spiritual authority. Shield Now Chandi Magical Bracelet, wear this for strength, protection and mystical power. Brahma Jani, a sacred force to unlock hidden potential and spiritual transformation. Om 64 Yogini Talisman, connect with divine feminine energy and ancient spiritual power. Chamunda Talisman with Vara Power Combo, a rare combination for ultimate protection and blessings. Rudra Kali Talisman Amulet, a fierce protector against negative energies and black magic. Each item is infused with sacred power and astrological remedies, designed to bring luck, protection, love and prosperity. We have more mystical categories at link to astrotalisman.com * that are as follows. Combos and exclusive packages. Powerful magical rings. Ancient Keris Legendary Blades of Power. Magical rare stones and fossils. Yantras with gemstones and sacred symbols. Vashikaran and Love Spell Talismans. Indonesia Rudraksha and Rudraksha Malas. Black Magic Healing and Protection Amulets. Mystical Paintings and Power Artifacts. Magical Power Oils. Genie and Khodam Summoning Talismans. Yagna, Homam, and Puja Ritual Services. Astrology Consultation and Personalized Remedies. Ready to experience the divine power of astrology? Visit link to astrotalisman.com and explore the mystical treasures waiting for you. If you have any kind of queries, steps to contact to our expert astrologers are: you can call on +919 8307 18305, or you can leave an email on astroyogi404@gmail.com or WhatsApp us on is to 98307 18305. Don't wait, transform your destiny today. Like, share and subscribe for more mystical revelations and visit link to astrotalisman.com now.